In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy puts in Robinhood. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Assuming that you have already been approved for options trading on Robinhood, you will be able to purchase them. So first, open the latest version of the Robinhood mobile app and search for the stock or ETF that you want to buy puts on using the search bar at the top. So you will be able to look for a specific stock or ETF. Now select Trade and then Trade Options. So on the stock or ETF's detail page, tap the Trade button and then Trade Options. You will see a view of calls, bullish options, and puts, bearish options. Slide the toggle to puts. Now you will be able to select and set the expiration date and strike prices. So a quick overview and explanation. For the expiration date, this is going to determine when the option contract expires. Generally, further out expirations will be more expensive, but offer more time for your predictions to play out. The strike price is going to be the price at which you have to write to sell the stock or ETF if you buy the put. Choosing a lower strike price will be more expensive but gives you more profit potential if the stock prices falls significantly. Next, choose the contract quantity and order type, which is optional. The quantity is the number of put contracts that you want to buy. Each contract represents the right to sell 100 shares of the underlying stock or ETF, and the order type is going to be a basic order type like GTC, GFD, or a more advanced order type if you are familiar with them. Review everything and submit the order. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy puts on Robinhood. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.